Welcome to today's video, everybody. I've been really enjoying doing a bunch of sightseeing recently around this location in Dake Onsen where Ebisu Circuit is, and it's crazy how I've been here so many times, but I've never really taken the time to enjoy everything around here. And it's beautiful, it really is. There is so much here that you can do besides drifting. It's actually kind of insane, and I haven't even scratched the surface yet. I think I'm gonna spend a bunch of time up here during the winter. Gonna do a bunch of snowboarding, snowmobiling, maybe even some hiking and snow walking and stuff. But there's a whole bunch of crazy waterfalls and things like that at Mount Aratada as well, and just really insane good sightseeing stuff. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy the nice B-roll. Let's head to Side X, get the keys for the Chaser, and we got some updates on the Chaser to show you. I went to Side X and grabbed some wheels that I had left there to bring to Ebisu, so we're now at the track. And I'm just unloading everything in the shed, and the amount of rain that's been here in the last few days, even in here, it flooded out, and you can see it's all flooding there. But hopefully the weather clears up for this weekend. But one question I want to ask you guys is, how on earth do you fit wheels and tires in your Zs? Because I can only seem to get 2 in here like this, and then I put another 2. This is a bit sketchy actually, opening this up without my hand there, but... And then I put another 2 here, and my whole, door kind of copped it a little bit there, but that was the only way that I was going to get these 4 wheels and tires here. These are the ones that came on my FDS15, the N case. And I'm going to burn through these tires this Mitsuri, and then I'll put the wheels up for sale on Yahoo or something. But I just don't understand how you're meant to put a whole bunch of wheels in the back. My friends in the States were stacking 4 or 6 or something in the back. I guess they're cutting this out. I just don't know. Or maybe it's this thing behind the seats that they cut out and that gives them a bunch of space. But I kind of want to keep everything from that bar forward as nice as possible in OEM so it's still streetable, and then just strip out the back like I've done. So I don't know. Anyways, I'm curious for your input and see if anyone has any answers for that. But let me just unload these. I'm done with moving those wheels and everything, and I drove up to the top of the hill because this is where the Chaser's parked right now. And I'm sure you can gather, she's all kind of back together and running, and the boys at Side X definitely did some work for us because if you look under here, we kind of got ourselves a little bit of a side exit exhaust now. You can see it there, but the exhaust just kind of comes under the car and turns down and side exits there. It's a bit hard to see, but just there under the rear passenger door. So hopefully that shouldn't gas us out anymore. And that's just a temporary fix because we couldn't get a new downpipe in time to do a proper exhaust, and we just kind of made do with what we had so we could make Mitsuri. The guys got my headlights all working so we don't have to use that LED bright light, although I kind of wish we had that because that thing was super bright and lit up North Course like a Christmas tree. But we'll see how the normal halogen Chaser OEM headlights go. But yeah, she definitely looks like a missile. She looks like a beast. Excited to drive this thing all weekend. And on that note, we are once again doing a 48-hour non-stop subathon live stream on my Twitch channel for the whole of Drift Mitsuri, day and night, all of that stuff. So if you want to be a part of that, Linktree link is down in the description, which will take you to all my other social medias, including the Twitch channel. But that aside, don't sleep on that. If you guys remember, I was talking about multi-camera angles, and well, this is the last Mitsuri this year where we are doing just 1 camera angle. I've already spoken to companies, we've already got the hardware, the program is nearly done with the programming and everything that we need so that we can rig this thing up with 6 different cameras, and you guys in chat, you guys will be able to control the angles that you guys want to see and stuff, and that'll be happening in autumn Mitsuri. But still make sure you come join for this summer's Mitsuri this weekend, and yeah, you definitely don't want to sleep. The live streams get insane. You get to see all the gnarly clips and stuff of accidents that could have happened but didn't happen, and it's honestly insane because the clips that come out of the streams every single time go viral and get a couple 100K views. So it's definitely a good time, and I know you guys love it. Doing all the usual prep and getting everything ready for Mitsuri weekend. Making sure that the Chaser's full of gas so that we don't have to wait and just get straight into shredding. This thing is so loud now. Oh man, I can't wait to drive this thing. It's gonna sound wild. I'm now done with prep and making sure that this thing's all ready for the weekend. Full tank of gas, ready to shred. But I want to give you guys a good idea of just how loud this car is now that we're just literally running a straight pipe. I'm gonna sit you guys down here, and I'm gonna give her a little bit of beans. Now it's a little obnoxious. I think I prefer how loud my Z is over this right now. But damn, every time I look at this side of the car, I get hyped because look at all these tire marks starting to form here. 1, 2, there's actually like 3 there. 4, 5, so cool. And then the other side, not so much. I think there's only like a little one there. But yeah, this is just the fire lead runs. So before I head off, I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a couple laps in the Xeon North course. I have not driven the Xeon North course yet, and it's still pretty damp out. So, you know, we got a bit of drift lube there, and I think it's gonna feel really nice. All things considered, like, I'm quite surprised how much grip this thing has in the wet. Actually has a lot more than my Chaser. So I'm excited to kind of just see how this feels like on North course. Feel out the GK Take angle kit and the arms and everything, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna quickly slap on a helmet. We got like 30 minutes left of today's track time before the track's officially closed. So I'm gonna quickly helmet up and glove up, and let's go out and do a couple laps. All right, let's see what this Z can do. Aircon off. Not bad. It's definitely a little slippery right now. A little sketchy, but you know. Alright, I'm going to do this as conservative as possible, but I think we can go straight into a mungie, but like a conservative mungie. Not going to see me doing like top of third gear stuff. Oh, we're just slipping up the hill. Yeah, I don't know about this, chaps. Oh, and it's foggy too. Yeah, it's actually kind of gripped up. Not bad, not bad, eh? In the dry, I think I'd feel a lot more comfortable clutch kicking this for a mungie, but let's do like the gearing's a bit long because there's like a 3.5 diff in this, so let's try doing a second gear little mungie. The car's acting a bit weird because the brake's still plugged in. Alright, let's try this now. definitely, like, I feel like it needs just like that little bit more extra power, but it's really not too bad. The diff ratio needs to be like a 3.9 over a 3.5 though. This kit feels pretty good. Third gear mungies feel solid too. A little foggy out. Oh, she gripped up on me. Sketchy right now. Woo! So you got to really commit on the throttle with this, otherwise it grips up. You would have just seen on that mungie it started straightening out on me, and that's purely because of how it gripped up on me, because I wasn't on full pelt throttle. Last lap. Oh, it's like a death trap right now. Look at this. Still, that was a lot of fun. I think the track's officially closed now, so we'll leave it there, but man, that was good. Insane. Still can't get over this thing. It's so much fun. I can't wait till Brad finally has the rails in stock. Brad's been sold out, or Brid has been sold out for a long time now, of the seat rails for this car, and I believe this month or so they should have new stock, and that's pretty much all I'm waiting for before I can put a Zeta 4 in this car. And I think that'll just tie it up so much more, because right now the stock seat and seat belt kind of sucks. I'm back at my hotel now, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Definitely going for more of a chill vibe, and I'm trying to like really bring in like the day's mood and stuff like that into my videos now, and just really focus on all my surroundings. And I'm sure you can notice that with like the B-roll and the music and stuff like that, and just the weather being kind of, you know, overcast and wet and stuff like that. I'm trying to like match that up so that you guys really get a really good perspective and that feeling of the day through there as well. So very chill day, very relaxing day. And you know, to end it on a little bit of driving in the Z and kind of feel that out in the wet. All things considered, I'm really surprised we didn't go off track, but I was being pretty conservative. I'm really excited for this weekend and hoping for a really nice dry time so that I can take the Z out and go full send and try and do some backies. I think that'll be a lot of fun, and I definitely want to do that before we send that thing off to get some body and paint work done. But anyways, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, put it down in the comment section. I've been trying to be a lot more active there, and don't forget as well about the live stream that's happening this weekend, non-stop. Starts Saturday morning, goes all the way through to Sunday morning. So I hope you guys are hyped for that and ready. It's going to be subathon as well, so I'm sure you guys already know what that means. But make sure you're there, make sure you show up and pop in and say hi. That'll mean the lot. That will mean the world to me. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, rate a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Jamata.